In this video, I'll be going over distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property looks something like this. A parentheses B plus C parentheses equals AB plus AC, or A parentheses B minus C parentheses AB minus AC. What we want to do is multiply A with B and then A with C. So that's why it became AB plus AC. And the same way with subtraction, we would take A times B and then A times C. And so A times B will become AB, and then the minus sign, and then A times C, which we show here. So below are 6 examples, which we're gonna go through them to show you how they're done. For the first one, 5 we times by 4, and then 5 we times by 5. So 5 times 4 is 20, and then the addition we show here, and then 5 times 5 is 25, and then 20 plus 25 is 45, and that's the answer. For the second equation, we have 8 times 6, and then 8 times 2. So 8 times 6 is 48, and then the subtraction, and then 8 times 2 is 16. Then we take 48 minus 16, then we have 32. Next, now we have an equation that is reversed, showing up the 7 and then 5 plus 4 like so. It works the same way where you're multiplying this direction. So 7 times 5 is 35, and then the addition, then 7 times 4 is 28. Then we have 35 plus 28, that equals 63. Number 4, 5, and 6 are with variables, but the process stays the same. So we want to take 6 times 2x and then 6 times 3y. So 6 times 2x becomes 12x, and then we have the plus sign, and then 6 times 3y, 18y. So the answer would be 12x plus 18y. Now for number 5, we would times 7 to 2a and then 7 to 3b. So 7 times 2a is 14a. Bring the minus down. 7 times 3b equals 21b. And for the final example, we would take 3 times negative 4x and then 3 times 2y. 3 times negative 4x is negative 12x. And then the plus sign, and then 3 times 2y is 6y. So these 6 examples are how you would handle distributive property of multiplication. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.